my loves, what's going on? And I say, and it ain't say nothing. A honey man can't tell me nothing. Bees in the trap, bees in the trap, bees in the trap, bees in the trap.
Alam.
Oh, live TikTok challenge yun.
Live TikTok challenge.
Hey guys, thank you guys for watching Hating Kapatid. Maraming salamat. This is only the beginning. We see all your love and support sa mga younger versions po namin kay Young Bell and Young Tyrone. At syempre, nagpapasalamat din kami for sending love to Rosel, which is our mom, Carmina Viruel, and of course kay Chris, to our Papa Z, Zoran Legaspi,
yes,
and
sir.
to our amazing cast of Hating Kapatid. Maraming salamat po. And thank you guys for joining this live. We're gonna end it. The joke lang.
Yeah, about that. Grabe galing ni Jackson Wang. Asawa ko yan. Guys.
Yeah, kumusta si Jackson Wang? Yeah, we just hung out here in the house. Pumunta dito sa bahay.
Tumabi lang siya sa bahay. Nothing much, you know.
Nag-chess lang kami ni Jackson Wang.
Ay, nag-chess kayo? Ba't kayo nag-chess? Jackson, if you're watching this, tara mag-live tayo.
Sabi nag-comment yung isa, nasan si Bella tsaka si Tyrone?
6'7". Oh no.
Nina Acosta? What?
Nina Acosta?
Kasi parang pinapalabas yung parang replay or something, di ba?
Oh yeah.
Tapos sinasabi nila, kasi nagdadalawang shows ka?
No, guys!
Parang 3 years ago yun, guys.
Matagal na yung first Yaya and first Lady.
Grabe yun.
Tapos,
may leg na si Cassie. Compared sa kay Nina Acosta. Si Belle, lumevel up na.
Bebebuzz.
Hello po sa inyo. Hello, twins. Watching from Bohol.
Wow, hello. Grabe yung table.
Di po kayo nag-aaway? Pwede naman kayo mag-aaway ngayon. Sabi na. Diba?
It's 3 times.
Really? Let's do that kaya. Grabe, naka 2.1 million tayong views sa And awake, but we're so late, no?
Yeah, guys,
dapat yung wawi na lang tayo. Wawi.
Going back to Honolulu just to
guys,
get that.
Guys, wag niyo gagawin yun sa BGC. Alam niyo.
Stop shaking the table!
Alam niyo guys, yung challenge na yun, ang dami kong nakita nung Halloween.
Really?
Na ginagawa yun, tapos pinapagalitan ng mga security ng BGC. Really? So stop doing that.
Oh, I didn't know. Oh dear. Oh dearie.
Asan ba si Ashley? Ashley is very, very far.
In my heart.
Nasa Europe siya ngayon.
I commented in her life.
Alam mo kung bakit nasa Europe siya? Grabe yung away namin. So sobrang siya nagtampo, umabot siya ng Europe. De joke lang. Grabe.
Wait! Stop shaking the table, bro.
Do you guys listen to Chorus? Yes, of course. Basta, actually, basta JYP, SM, Hyde, YG, you're fans of them. Cut the new. Wait for us in later. Stay safe.
Stay safe.
Ban that comment. Someone ban that comment. Sino man nag-comment noon, get a life.
Basta, no?
No, I didn't watch last night because I was busy. But I'm also a fan of Jackson Wang.
Ako naman ay si Jackson talaga ang asawa ko, so I was present.
Kasi dapat pumasok ka sa bahay ni Kuya. I'm hoping also sana makapasok si Cassie sa bahay ni Kuya.
Pwede naman sa bahay ni Jackson.
Dahil yung personality kasi ni Cassie, parang teenager din. So, sakto lang sa mga
Totoo
bata.
ba? Yan nga ang ano ko eh. Baka kala nila, ay, so, teen pala si Cassie. PBB teen si...
Hey Mark, get a life.
Baka PBB teen si Cassie. So, yeah. Guys, no. I'm a very jolly person. Kaya people think na, parang ano, bagat siya. And I have
Yeah.
lots of energy. Pero
Watching from Singapore.
That doesn't mean na hyper ako 24/7, guys. Kalma naman ako. I'm a chill girl. Just a chill girl.
Kamukha ni Luis Manzano. Well, co-host na
Grabe,
namin
so
siya
cool,
sa
no, na-
PBB.
It's so cool kasi it's
Ang
like
nagbabalik.
you manifested. It's so cool.
Hi! Watching from Canada. Who said watching from Canada?
Wala. Kasi
Sorry
you
na,
guys
walang bilis ng
comment so
comments.
fast. Thank you guys though.
Pero
Grabe.
wherever you are,
1.5k. Thank you guys.
sending love to you guys in Canada. Who's older po sa inyong dalawa?
Wait guys, pakita niyo naman kay Mavi yung stickers. I mean I want like the
Ako.
helmet.
Watching from Singapore, watching from Australia. Hello guys.
The hair like that.
Watching from Bohol. Watching from Taiwan. Sending love to you guys.
Grabe, all over the world, y'all.
Camarines Sur. Hello. Caloocan City. Hello sa inyong lahat.
Oh.
Hello din sa inyo. Watching from Cebu. Love Cebu. Watching from Davao. Wow, hello from India. One of the countries that have the 7 wonders of the world. India.
Slay.
Watching from Mindanao.
Oh, I cannot read.
Watching from Marawi. Maguindanao. Antipolo, lapit lang nun. Malta, wow! Watching from Korea.
Wow.
Leyte.
Kamsahamnida. Yes. Actually guys, nagla-live kami kayo kasi kanina sa live stream, nagulat kami na tapos na.
Yes.
Akala namin meron pa, so parang nakulangan namin sa time and, bonding with you guys, our followers, to say bye or,
No?
Ayan! Yung hat, hindi yung helmet, yung,
Ano yun?
yeah, because they like do that here. Basta kasi nung last live ko, I always watch,
Kasi
guys,
bagay kayo ni Anton Vinson. What? He's like a lil bro, si Anton.
Anton's my broski.
Si Antonio.
OMG.
Lil bro yun. Lil bro.
OMG. What was I gonna say? Kasi I always watch Sneer's lives. Tapos they always make him tripan na they always, every time nagjo-joke siya or something, they always send the helmet.
Sino yun?
Si Sneer. They always send the helmet. So I said, and last
Shout
time,
kay Sneer. Nakita kami ni Sneer bago siya pumasok sa bahay ni Kuya.
gulat ako na pumasok.
First house guest,
OMG.
Sneer.
Sneer, y'all!
Cotabato. Sorsogon.
Oh, what's the hat?
San Pedro, Laguna.
Ano yung helmet na yan?
Yung family ni Mama, taga Santa Cruz, Laguna.
Tama ba?
Yeah, Santa
Yeah.
Cruz, Laguna. Watching from QC, sa UP, sa kalsada ng BGC.
Stop shaking the table.
Oh!
Shaking my phone. Oh, what a corgi!
Ba't may corgi?
Oh, yeah. Guys, kasi hindi naman nagla-live si Mavi sa TikTok. So, ipakita natin yung mga stickers and all. Doon
Oh.
dami. There's even like, there's like an Elvis. Okay,
Oh.
Yan. Thank you. Who said the helmet? Giselle ba yan? Giselle ba
Thank you
nag-send?
for sending the helmet,
This
whatever
helmet,
that means.
Giselle. Yeah! Oh my, tama ba? Oh my, I'm so sorry. I hope it's
Ano
her.
meron sa helmet?
Wala lang, nakakatawa lang. They can just send mga ganun. Yan, the helmet! Thank you so much!
Ayun, syempre, anyway, nagpapasalamat kami ni Cassie sa lahat po ng
So-
nanonood po ng Hating Kapatid. Lagi pong tumataas po yung
Yeah.
rating po namin, and I'm sure tataas po yun. And abangan niyo po yung mga susunod na episodes dahil
Yeah.
nandun na po kami ni Cassie.
Careful.
This version, young adult version na po ni Tyrone at ni Belle. At mas gaganda pa yung storya dahil mas malalim na yung kwento, mas magiging matured na po. And lahat na,
Oh! As the first time I saw that! Bakit puro siya? Gusto ko din.
how do they select?
I don't know nga eh.
Paano napupunta yung sticker sa akin at sa'yo?
I don't know. Gusto ko din. Paano ba
Pero
yun,
solid
guys?
yun, bubblegum.
Bubblegum. Man, I don't know.
Cat. And there's
She's a cat?
you know, cat. First gift.
Oh!
Ooh, yeehaw!
Yeehaw. What? Why do you keep getting the gum? I think it depends
Hey
on
guys, maraming salamat. How are you guys doing? Sir Mavi, K-pop idol ba yung katabi mo?
Opo, asawa
hello.
po ni Jackson Wang. Kaya
Oh.
sinasuot ko po yung merch niya.
Sasali ko na sa inyo, pila ka, pumila ka.
It's okay, I'm one with the Jackson Wang
Pumila
fans. I got you guys.
Oh! Join my fan club, the Tyrone.
Wow, you have headphones! I've never seen that! Is it because I'm wearing a beanie? Whatever. Oh!
Hello po ating kapatid. Hello.
Cool. Thank you for the... Oh, fresh bell.
Nakamute po
Thank
kayo?
you.
What?
Oh, it's a prank. Guys, di siya sanay sa ganito. Ah! Thank you.
Wait. Ay, I wanna see. Ang galing nung batang fake twin na babae kay Tali. Yung Tali, galit na galit yung mommy daw niya.
OMG.
Ang galing ng mga bata.
Alam mo, yesterday sa concert, a lot of people approached me saying na they watch Hating Kapatid.
Wow.
Ay, wow! Thank you so much for this. Anyways it's so cool. Anyways natawa lang ako. So, thank you for watching. It means a lot. Wala, nakakakilig
Is
lang.
this a live viewers there up there? Yung
Yeah.
sa taas?
Oh my gosh, 4.2? Kanina parang 1.5 lang. Wow! Oh my gosh, thank you guys. Wow, thank you so much, y'all. Thank you.
Tsaka ano yung trend pag nagko-comment sila? Nakita ko lang sa TikTok post natin
Let's
na
teach math.
yung gisingin nyo ako pag 20k, something like
Wala
that.
lang.
Gisingin nyo ako.
It's just like a thing lang na parang
Tapos yung mga gisingin nyo ako pag 1M na, ganun. 2.1 by the way. Maraming salamat sa inyo. That was like my comeback.
parang tagal.
And mawawala ulit ako in 3 months.
Guys, what TikToks can we do? Oh, wow. Is that from Giselle? Grabe ka na, Giselle ha. You're my
Giselle's at
favorite.
the Diamond 3. Diamond 3 pala
Diamond
yun.
3. Ang ganda ng sinesend mo, Giselle. Thank you.
Hi Mavi, watching from Italy. Kakagaling lang doon ni Ashley sa Italy.
Did you see her go live when she was in the snow? You know, I kept replying. I miss you, I miss
don't
you.
need to see her live kasi bawat area na pumupunta siya, lagi niya akong tinatawagan.
Ako din.
Lagi siya wish you were here. Sinasabi ko lagi sa kanya, okay na ako dito.
Oh, also guys, don't forget to check out Ashley's new scented candle business called Sinta. Napakabango yung mga scents. The one I have is
Sakto.
Mandarin.
Yeehaw! Saktong-sakto para sa holidays.
Yes.
Pang gift.
Ang bango niya, guys. It's super refreshing. I put it in my dresser.
Yung
Sometimes I put
nakaka-promote
it sa
natin,
bag.
kailangan natin ng percentage na sa company.
Grabe. What's the one there's like rose, mandarin something, and cotton.
Wait,
Bango din
wait.
yung cotton.
Let me like
I might buy the cotton.
shout that person out. Actually ban that person. Where is that?
Okay na.
Ban that person. Who is that?
Go to
Ang tawag sa mga taong ganun, rage bait. Pero wala kaming pake sa ganun.
Of course, I'm supporting.
Isang good luck sa exam po namin. Ba't ang bibilis ng comments? Pero
It's like
good
that.
luck po sa'yo.
Because everyone here's so
Good luck sa
supportive.
exam nyo. Study hard.
Thank you. Thank you. I mean, thank you for...
Magkapatid po ba kayo? Magpinsan actually. Oh, shucks. Sekreto pa rin. Oh, another
Oh,
Diamond
Giselle.
3. What is it? Galaxy.
With the galaxy. Thank you, Giselle. Oh!
Tricycle.
From... Ozne? Tama ba? Oh!
It's a dog.
It's a bird.
Oh, from Fresh Bell.
Thank you, Fresh Bell. Ang cute naman ng
Leslie with the cat.
Ang cute.
Micaela with the roast. Thank you for the Thank you for the heart. I'm so
What was that?
wala na ako sa trend. 'Di ba dati yan yung trend? Thank you for the heart. Thank you for the heart.
Ano yun?
Yung AI, thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose.
Pati ko alam yun. Stop shaking the table, bro.
That was like
Oh, you have coffee.
Di
Who
ba?
said that? Fresh Bell.
Trend
Thank you,
yun
Fresh
dati.
Bell.
Thank you for the yung mga ganun. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the cat.
Girl, I don't know. Is it actually?
I don't know.
Guys, patag naman si Jackson, Mang.
Puso po yan dati. See, I told you, yan yung last time na ako nag-TikTok. Thank you for that. Yung mga ganun.
Ba't di ko alam yun,
Diba?
G?
Sino? Paborito niyong artista?
Sino?
Actually, besides my parents, dahil kung sinasabi yung paborito kong not really like artista, pero well, artista na rin. Miss Luis Manzanan, Roby Domingo, ako.
Ang paiiralin ko isipa o puso ko.
Bagay kayo sa Encantadia, sa Sangre. Sabi ko nga kay Bianca kasi magkasama kami sa... Saan tayo pumunta? Bacolod pumunta kami.
Oh yeah!
Na Bacolod. That's the last time I saw B. is a really good friend of mine in the industry. At sinabi ko kay B, uy B, parang bagay ko maging anak mo sa Sangre mo. Next batch. Pero 1 year apart lang kami ni Bianca. Pero ako yung anak niya, no?
That's crazy. Anak ka ni Tera. That's wild.
Mahal na mahal kita, mahal. Love you too.
Wow, that's crazy.
May bagyo ba dyan?
too.
Wala po.
So far, but
We're in Metro Manila.
umulan kanina though.
Yeah. Alam, acting workshop? Yes, nag-acting workshop po kami.
Oops, careful.
Before...
What?
Ban that person. Where's Ash po? Europe. Shoutout sa lahat ng Kapampangan. Pampanga. Sino big winner nyo sa PBB? Mick Brent. Ay, last season pa.
Nick Brent.
Sorry.
Huh?
Walang bias. Walang bias. No bias.
Oh, you can't answer. Ako,
You can answer. I can answer.
I can answer. Oh my gosh.
No, walang bias si Cass.
I can't, it's so hard to choose. Pero,
Shoutout sa lahat ng kapuso at kapamilya na nasa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
they're also interesting. They're also,
Dahil na
all
po ba kayo
bright
sa
kids.
Reconnect? No.
Oh, yung Reconnect! Guys, we're already
Ipatapos ang shooting po namin ng Reconnect. What is your favorite perfume? Ethyl alcohol.
What?
Perfume, ethyl alcohol. Ginagani
My favorite perfume?
It's
Yung
shaking, bro.
perfume
Sorry,
ko.
ako yun. Sorry.
Tambourines. Camo.
Oh, that's why sinasabi niya may bagyo ba dyan? Kasi I keep moving the table.
Yeah, that's why I've been
Sorry.
seeing kahit sa last live stream namin. Sabi ko, sorry guys, yan yung table namin kasi ganun kami ng ganun. Kaya, you put your hands off the table.
Saan po kayo? Sa bahay?
Sa puso mo. Guys,
Watching from Davao.
patag naman si Jackson. Pakisabi, patag dito, mag-join naman siya
Punta kayo sa White Plains eh?
sa live
Ha?
stream.
Oh! I get it.
I saw,
Kailan po ulit ko pupunta na?
I saw sign language. I only know alphabets.
I miss your vlog, Cassie.
L-N-N-O-P. I forgot Q-R-S-T-U-V-W-X-Y-Z. And I just know like thank you. I forgot the other stuff. Yeah. Share lang. Anyways.
Bibilis ng comments. I'm trying to follow.
I know.
Baya Sabini.
OMG. Oh, well, for me,
Mika Maloy.
ako Mika. Oh, but then Aya. Mika Aya. Sila yung pair.
I actually want to meet Maloy. Parang cool ng style niya.
Si
Mika, we're friends already, but
Oh.
si Maloy.
Oh my gosh, I want to... Oh! Okay. You guys will know soon na lang. Okay, anyways.
How tall is Cassie? 6'5".
Kinikilig ako sa...
How tall are you?
I'm
6'5".
5'7". First love.
Do you like cats? Shout out to Sophia.
Yeah, girl.
Another friend of mine, Sophia.
Everything's gnarly.
Hello po, Tyrone and Belle. Hello.
Everything's knowledge. Honey, honey, I got back in talkies.
Paano kung maging guest kayo sa PBB? Ako, pass na ako.
Dun, dun.
Okay na. Mag-bonding na lang kami ni Alexa sa online verse. Kasi what's your set again in Korea? Tambourine.
Oh, the brand is
shucks, but it's
is tambourines, and then the scent is camo. Dami rin kasi nagtatanong since the beginning of time.
Marinduque.
So, hello po.
Masbate. Cavite. Watching from Singapore.
Gosh, so blurry, bro. Guys, actually,
Zamboanga.
But I cannot say.
Bulacan.
Romblon! I know Romblon's known for marbles. Tama po ba? Yung mga marbles niyo po. Yeah. Solid. We have lots of coasters from Romblon. Yeah. Ceramic.
Damn, whoever keeps commenting that, it's never gonna happen.
Oh! Howdy, mister. Howdy.
Gusto ko sana magbasa ng comment, pero every time I'm about to read it,
yeah, no, that's what I love about TikTok.
Blackpink concert, yes, we will see you guys there.
Blackpink! Blackpink oh, sorry.
Pero sana pumunta si Sana sa Blackpink concert.
Medyo twice, pero sige. Get it, I guess. Guys, patag naman si Jackson. Oh my gosh, guys! Na-meet ko si Jackson Wang. Kasi yung ticket ko may meet and greet. So I'm just waiting for the ano tawag ito? Yung official photo. Pero feeling ko guys, ang pangit ko. Kasi guys, nung na-meet ko si Jackson, parang, girl, my spirit left my body. Huh?
Karetoke ka daw?
Aray! Girl, huh? Okay guys, first of all, I wanna talk about that. Wait, stop checking the table, bro. First of all, guys, I have nothing against
Same.
Cosmetic surgery. Go ahead, you do you. Pero ako personally, I feel like siguro if I had or if I have something done, I wouldn't be shy or whatever to say it. But at the same time, I don't think anyone owes anyone an explanation, so you do you. Pero honestly speaking, guys, is I don't know how to prove it, but it's real. And also, aray, see, it's turning red, bro. And also, guys, syempre, sa makeup din, dinadaanan ko yan sa contour, na makeup artist. Minsan, kaya mo i-shift yung shadowing of the nose. Pwede yung ganon, pwede yung button nose, like what Ariana Grande does, yung ganon, guys. So, kalma lang kayo. This is BF, nothing, ano. If ever nag-ano lang ako, RF, just to lift. Because ever since my weight loss, parang I had
yes,
to
nakapunta
adjust.
kami sa Bacolod, yes.
Ulit naman ako sa'yo.
I love the chicken inasal there.
OMG, me too. I forgot to post my vlog with Dustin na kumakain lang kami. Wait lang. Because guys, I accidentally ate his chicken, but sorry. Wait, someone asked something about the perfume. Oh.
Anyway, shout out.
Sorry, go
He said, my vlog ka with Dustin eating the Bacolod chicken.
Yeah, but then kasi ang tagal niya, so I got his chicken, ate his chicken, then dumating siya.
Why did to co-host? What? Anyway.
And then, nung dumating siya, I felt bad. So while he wasn't looking, I put another chicken sa plate niya.
Shout out to Dustin.
Para di niya alam na.
That's my gang. Dustin you.
Dustin you. Ano? Wait lang. Someone's asking about Ashley's candles. Wait, please. I want to super bango scent. Okay. So, it depends on what scent you want. Wait lang, ibebenta ko na. Ay, please, TikTok, don't count this. So, the one I have is yung Mandarin something. Basta Mandarin siya. Yan yung, it's giving amoy mayaman na dressing room na lahat ng damit ay Chanel, Dior, yung ganon. Yung, bango, love it, freshness. Tapos yung isa naman is cotton. I'm gonna get cotton. I really wanna get that. Yung cotton is, it's like fresh, it smells like fresh sheets. Parang the first thing you wanna smell in the morning, ang sarap talaga dun. Sarap? Bango! Sarap. Gutom yun. Anyways. And then the other one is yung rose. I think it's rose. Can you check nga? Can you check, Sinta?
Oh wait, I think they're watching. Shout out to Enzo.
No way!
Shout out to Ace. Ace for the rose.
Oh yeah! Oh my gosh!
Oh, si Ozne, si Enzo yun. Kanina, di ba, may Ozne? Enzo pala yun. Gonza for the rose.
Wait, so Enzo sent something?
Si Enzo pala yung nagsend ng tricycle. Let's say Ozne with the tricycle.
That's why I was like, wait, I was like, wait, it's not Enzo. But I was like,
pinagtritripan ako ng mga tropa ko. That's why nag-send ng mga corgi. That was them. Okay,
that was them?
okay.
Oh, hey guys, thank you though. Stop shaking the table, bro!
Magkano ba kailangan para mag 6'7" tong magkapatid na to? What?
6'7"? Sorry. She did it, yun. Sa mga friends namin, patag na si Jackson Wang for me sa Instagram. Can you tell him to join my live? Wala lang. Friends naman tayo, di ba?
Oh, Le with the cake, Le with the cake, Le with the cat.
Cat?
And Le keeps sending so much, oh.
Thank you for sending, y'all.
Michelle, OG, Mylin, Zach, Etchi. Tips on how to move on from a breakup. Oh, that's tough.
You just need to go through it, guys.
Yun lang yung way talaga.
Literally, you can't skip, you can't...
Close ba kayo ni
walang
BDV,
shortcut.
Cassie? No. Ako.
Sino? Sorry?
Close ba kayo ni Bianca De Vera?
No, but I...
Actually, kami ni Bianca, magkasama na kami way back. High school pa lang kami, magkasama na kami ni BDV.
But I met her. When I met her, super nag-click na parang, sabi ko, shucks, pares kami madaldal. Actually, sabi rin ni Dustin na, I think he asked, I forgot it, did you meet Bianca na? Sabi ko, yeah, I met her. Sabi niya, feeling ko swak kayo, parehas kayong makulit.
Dahil
And I was
yung high school ni Bianca, saka yung high school po namin, close. Ang
Yeah,
schools
I
po
didn't even know na she studied there pala.
Pero one batch lower si Bianca before.
Grabe, I didn't know that. Dun, 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 dun. Not you typing, are you? Why are you? Guys, I miss Jackson Wang, sorry.
What's the square root of 64? 8.
Miss ko si Jackson, I'm so sorry.
Ah, yan yung nakita kong trending online. Parang may tinanong yung isang bata na high school. Parang, anong square root ng 25? Sinabi niya 4.
25?
Hey. I saw that comment. Hey, Batman. Go back to Gotham City. Get a life.
Anyways. I keep dancing,
Kyle and Andrea, yeah, good friends of ours.
love them both.
Lalo na si Kyle.
My papi chulo.
Anyway, we're gonna end in like 2 minutes.
Yeah, we're gonna end a few.
Thank you guys for joining this live.
Yeah. Thank you all. 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 Thank you all.
Night Furry, get a life. Thanks for showing up in these comments though.
Bro, I'm getting LSS with... Ating kapatid. Yeah, guys. Sorry. Yes, guys. Don't forget to watch.
Oh yeah, tell him, Mavi. Thank you. I really don't care anymore.
I know,
Ever
same.
since.
Thank you for the gifts, guys.
Tawag sa mga kanila, ang tawag sa kanila ay KSP, mga KSP. KSP din ako, kulang sa pake.
A. Guys, watch Hati Kapatid. Mondays to Saturdays, 2:30 p.m.
Cortez. You know, nagkita kami ni Niana sa Halloween. Sabi ko sa kanya, ang solid ng collab nila.
Collab. Na-amazing yung mga
Niana
members.
such a nice girl. Shout out to Niana. She's such a nice girl.
The members of Cortez were so amazed when they were like rehearsing. Parang they were like, wow, how'd she get the move so quick? Parang iba yung galaw niya and all that. As a girl, that's Niana.
Ring? Yeah, ever since naman to eh. This doesn't mean anything.
Ring, 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 ring. You don't hear my line no more. All that. Oh, oh. You don't ring, ring, ring.
Laban ng comments. I can't say that name because it's a fast food chain, but I read your comment. What?
Should I call first? I can't decide. I want to, but I got pride. Switching up what I can't with. Feeling you, put your heart against
Akala na mag-end ng live. Okay, 4 p.m. Last na yun. 4 p.m.
I'ma throw in the towel cause I'm only going through what you allow. You don't want this gun smoke. Ay, sorry.
Mahal ka kayong dalawa. What?
Hey, Miss Jackson Wang. Sorry.
Mag-Bisaya ka daw. Gyud. Gyud.
I want to learn Bisaya.
Bible verse. Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Dang. Kaya jersey number ko palagi at favorite number ko is 13. At laging sinasabi ng ibang tao na malas yung 13 kaya walang mga 13 sa elevator whatsoever, but no. The reason why I like 13 is because of the verse Philippians 4:13.
I always have two. My jersey number is either 1 or 6. Pag taken na yung 1.
Nanonood ka sa trabaho. Thank you for
Whoa!
watching. Oh, it's a dancing bear.
Thank you. Is it Christy?
Pause ne? Si
No,
Enzo yung nag-send nun. What the heck?
Oh, that was Christy. She sent it.
Oh, really? It was Christy?
Yeah, I think. Thank you though. Solid.
Labo ng dancing bear.
Thank you. Thank you. Guys, Hating Kapatid ha. Hating Kapatid, Mondays to Saturdays, 2:30 p.m. Ayan na, lumabas na kami. Kasi ang dami rin nagtatanong. Kailan ba kayo lalabas na sa Hating Kapatid? Ito na guys, we started our first episode today. Kami na. So, yeah. I'm excited. Tuloy-tuloy na to guys. So, I'm excited. Grabe mga challenging scenes and plot twists. And a lot of firsts for me. Just a little hands.
Sino bias niyo sa PBB Collab 2.0?
Girl, chumichika ako!
Oh, sorry. Alexei Lacan.
Yeah, dami namin parang first time sa show. Like for example, me, first time ako mag-swimsuit sa TV. So, hey, thank you for the shades! Yeah, next first time ako mag-ganon. So, yeah. Be nice, be kind, y'all. Ano pa ba? Actually, dami kong first, daming plot twist, guys. It's insane. Grabe yung mga experiences namin sa show na to. Yes. Slay. Guys, I miss Jackson Wang. Sorry. Grabe yung post-concert depression ko. Ang lala. Sorry. Anyways. Wow, I cannot read.
Dami mong girl. Okay.
I left my glasses.
Sabi may nag-comment, dami mong girl.
Dami mong girl?
Okay.
Okay. Dami girl. Okay.
Belen Tyrone. What's up, Ning?
Belen Tyrone. Yes, sir.
When ulit kayo mag-mall show?
I don't know. We'll see. Actually.
I think yung next po namin fiesta. I just don't know where.
I know. Pero alam ko meron sa November. I don't know when exactly. Marami kami, I know, November, December. So, yeah. Oh. Thank you guys for watching. Haring Kapatid sa uling sandali. Is it coming an LSS to me now? Oh, oh, that's so cute. Thank you. Thank you, Gonzo. my Jamba gang.
What?
It's called,
I want to read.
Kaya nga, if you want to read, you need to hold, I mean not hold, but you have to like, you know, hold it a bit. Also guys, pwede ko ba i-announce?
That was for Mav. Yeah, I know, right? Pero TikTok gave it to Cassie.
Is that God's? He's so mean. I like it though. So,
you don't want to read comments pero ang bilis. Isang
Like,
Alden daw.
that's why you have to-
Paano yung kay Alden?
the like that. I don't know, bro.
Ay.
Whatever, basta basta ganon, okay. Grabe. See, you know, you should do TikTok live. Diba guys, Mavi should do TikTok live. Ang saya mag-TikTok live. Kasi dati, alam to ng mga fans and followers ko na I always go live on Instagram before. Pero ewan ko, parang iba yung crowd sa
Wait,
Instagram and TikTok. What?
Hindi, sorry, may nabasa akong comment pero parang ang labo ng tanong. Nagko-collect.
Oh my gosh, my eyes are so blurry, y'all.
Nagko-collect ba kayo ng Pokemon cards? No.
Wow! Is a hat. Iho.
Do you know Jackie from Showtime? Yeah.
Yeah. Did I?
Jackie's actually so beautiful.
Actually.
No?
Sexy niya rin. And she's so good at dancing. Like, that's crazy, girl. Like, slay. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun. I cannot raid.
Kayo pa rin ba ni Ashley?
Kaya nasa Europe siya, guys. Joke lang. Sheneon. Ako kasi, I was gonna show my wallpaper but I realized we're using my phone. I was like, the wallpaper ko si Han So-hee. Inspiration ko.
Watching from Malaysia. Hello. I miss Malaysia.
Hey, Queen. I miss Jackson Wang. Guys, pasabi kay Jackson Wang na miss ko siya.
Congratulations sa pilot week ng PBB. Thank you.
Oh, okay. Kasi pilot week.
Where's our Wanda? Tinawagan siya ng Avengers. Ha 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 ha.
Sorry, I cannot read, bro. My eyes. Oh. Guys, I got the merch. Team Wang, Team Wang.
2 minutes left. Anyway guys, just a reminder, Hating Kapatid. 2:30 p.m. from Monday to Saturday pagkatapos po ng showtime. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. For loving our show, and sa lahat pa hindi pa nakakanood ng Hating Kapatid. This is your chance, this is your time para magsimula ng Hating Kapatid. It's never too late.
Yes.
Kahit sa anong bagay pa yan. And watch Hating Kapatid. Kahit magsimula po kayo bukas. Always welcome new viewers.
Solid yung story,
love.
guys. Solid yung story talaga. It's giving what it needs to give. My eyes.
Alright guys, bye.
Babay na daw siya. Ako hindi pa. Ako hindi pa. Legit, magbababay na ako. Wait lang. Kasi wait lang, pero nakaganito lang ako. Guys, miss ko talaga si Jackson Wang. This is crazy, y'all. Ay, sabi, wag muna. Okay lang, guys. I won't leave you. I'll never leave you. Fave part ng concert kagabi, OMG. Oh, well, actually, they were all good. All praises kay Jackson. Grabe yung production niya and storytelling. It's always super, super good. That's also why I became a fan because same kami creative-wise, same yung direction namin. And one of the best parts of the concert last night was, I think, it would be the encore. Guys, pumarty lang kami. Literally, the Jackson Wang party was literally in the concert. As in, I was talking to so many people. I was dancing with so many people. I met a lot. Parang, hey, like, what's up, y'all? We're just dancing. Parang saya lang. It was all one big happy dance party. So yeah, Jackson is so accommodating. So, solid guy. Solid guy. I'm so happy, guys. Sobrang kilig ako na when we did the meet and greet. He remembered me. I was like, thank you, Jackson. Oh, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. But yeah, it's okay. That was wild. Anyways, wala lang yun lang, guys. My last sentiments. Hating kapatid, right? Sorry. Hating kapatid, Mondays to Saturdays. 2:30 p.m. So we just aired again today. I mean, yung present version ni Tyrone and Belle and Tally. So this is it, Pansit, y'all. Ito na magsisimulan mga school scenes and all of that stuff. If you can just check it out on TikTok if you want to get little bit snippets. And if you're interested, yun, manood na po kayo. Again, Mondays to Saturdays, 2:30 p.m. Hating kapatid. Very exciting to. There are more characters, actors coming in. So, very exciting to. And there's a lot of very challenging scenes na ginawa ko na I've never done in my entire life. So, let's go through this together. Anyways, thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed today's live. And, yeah, we're very active online. So, text nyo lang kami. Text nyo lang kami. Oh my gosh. Sorry, because I just got a text. Kaya sabi ko, text nyo lang kami. Sorry. I mean, oh my gosh. Mom, I said text nyo. Oh, thank you for the butterfly. Sabi ko, text nyo lang kami. Sorry, guys. Oh my gosh, umiyak na ako. Bro, guys, mommy's laughing at me. Sorry. I mean, tag niyo po kami. Sorry, not text. Magbababay na ako. Why are you here? I'm gonna say bye.
Sige.
Not text, sorry guys. Tag niyo lang kami sa social media and we'll reply, we'll repost. We're super chill. We're so... Oh, thank you po. Fresh Bell, I love the flowers. Very hating kapatid. Okay, ito na, magkababay na ta. Sorry, text.
Text na parang bang alam namin number mo.
Na para bang...
0917.
Na para bang 0917. Joke lang. OMG, I'm so sorry guys. Sobrang lutang ako. Kasi may nag-text kaya sabi ko... Text yun lang kami. Sorry. Oh my gosh. I'm just exhausted. Ocean nights. Oh! I nag-love you. Ocean nights. Email na lang po kita. Pwede. I'm so sorry.
Friendster.
Sorry guys. I'm so sorry. Kaya ko to.
Amy Yao.
Amy Yao, thank you for the star. You're so cool.
Thank you for the star. Thank you for the star.
Akala ko babay, tapos bumalik ka. Magbabay na tayo.
Text lang daw. Text.
Text na lang tayo, guys. Text na lang tayo. Oh my gosh, text na lang tayo. Yeah, and just gotta be sometimes. Oh, someone put lipstick. I love you. Thank you. I love you too. Thank you for the lipstick. Just turn off my light, bro. But it's okay. Alright, guys. Peace out. And everyone thank you, Amy, for the heart. Take care, everyone. Stay safe. Oh my gosh, bro, the lights. Okay, stay safe, everyone. I'll see you all soon. Bye, y'all. How do I? Oh.
Sino si